how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify and track conversion. Welcome to Complete Tutorials. In this video, we will guide you on how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify and track conversion. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click Online Store. Then navigate to Preferences. Within the Preferences section, scroll down until you see the Facebook Pixel option and click Setup Facebook. Here, click the Install button. Next, at the top, click Add Sales Channel. Now, scroll down and select Start Setup. In the Facebook drop-down, click Connect Account. Make sure you have the Facebook page open in the next tab. Facebook will request certain permissions, so be sure to allow them. That's it. You have now successfully installed Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store. With this powerful tool, you can effectively track conversions and enhance your online business. For more informative tutorials and updates, please subscribe to our channel.